We just found one more piece of lava. This is called a spatter cone. Definitely a lot different from any of the other lava that we've seen. Spatter cone. Alright, welcome explorers. Still in New Mexico. Heading over to the ice cave and to look at the ice down in the cave and the volcano. I think we can climb to almost the top of the volcano and look down into it. That made all these lava flows over the years. Here's one example right here. It's all lava flow. All the way up. Nothing but lava rock everywhere. And in the background there, that's the volcano. We're going to go up in a little bit. Alright, trail to the ice caves. This should be a quick little hike. And then we can hike to the top of the volcano and look down into the volcano that made all this. It's all this lava rock. So two different trails, one just for the ice cave and one to the volcano. Alright, we're here at the top of the ice cave. That's all the lava flow. And this is where we're going. Down the steps to the ice cave. Oh, the stairs are a little bit bigger. Definitely uneven. Hard to believe something's frozen all year round. Pretty nice, pretty incredible. Yeah, we're still going down into that cave. Oh, I can feel the nice cool air. Oh man. Ooh, what a temperature difference. Wow. It is cold. No wonder why it's ice down here all the time. Oh yeah, there it is. And there's still... Wow. Hard to believe there's ice in here. This is crazy. Icicles. Ice on the ceiling. Big pool of ice. Definitely frigid air. Wow. And then it just comes up out there. Yeah, definitely cold. It's probably in the 30s down in here. Wow. Feels good on this hot day, that's for sure. All right. Wow, this is quite the lava field. That's part of the volcano up there. All lava all the way around. Wow. I think that's the other part of the volcano right there. But that's all we're walking on, just lava rocks this whole way. It's a tunnel made from lava. I think they're called lava plumes. Pretty neat. Hopefully you can see the twist, but that tree is really twisted wood. It's very bright out here, so hopefully I'm capturing it. Hopefully you can see it's super twisted. I don't know what year this volcano erupted, but I'll find out eventually. But look, everything is volcanic rock. As far as the eyes can see, and even all the way to the top of the volcano right there. It's all we're walking on, volcanic rock. Very hard to walk too. Well, we're at the base of the volcano. We're gonna See how high up we go? This is where the trail splits. That goes back to the gift shop, and this is the scenic trail where we just came, which goes to the ice caves. But look at that view. We're not even at the top yet. Alright, this is the trail continues this way. Let's take a look. Alright, well, we're getting into the meat of it now. Lava flows everywhere. There's the trail we just came on, and then it goes way down deep in here. Look how deep that goes. All full of lava, as far as you can see. Alright, so we're at the end of the trail. Do not pass this point. We're well deep into the volcano. There's the top. All the way around. And that is it way down there. And then it must have exploded out to the left here. This whole area. And that's how we walked in, where the sidewall exploded out that way. It's a pretty cool little hike. But yeah, that's your Bandera Volcano. If you get a chance, come check it out. It's pretty cool. It's a little hard walking because a lot of loose, hard lava rocks, but definitely worth checking out. Especially the ice cave. It's like 30 degrees there in the middle of summer. Hard to believe. Alright, we're wrapping up here at Bandera Volcano and the ice caves. So the ice caves are about 30 degrees down in there. Really cool. And hiking around this volcano that exploded and blew out a side is really awesome. Now you can look way down deep in the crater. It's kind of a little hard to walk on this volcanic rock, but definitely come check it out if you're ever in New Mexico. Alright, we're going to wrap it up. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bet you should be here pretty soon on one of the next videos. So we'll see you on the trails.